Today we discuss GES land bank, how we can perform the use cases. Here, existing see the many use cases. The land is existing, but the use case requirement we need to consider and follow up the scenario. Here, I have lots of the lands is appear in the coordinate system. The place on the various supports as a representing in the feature set as the polygon. And the polygon to we are identify the topology category, the land cover, the water cover, some canal covers, some dams construction covers. Those scenarios we need to consider. End of the time, the data is stored on a very big manner in spatial on the databases. After that, we need to reach to the end user. We need to consider the many scenarios based on authentication and authorization. Existing data is the belong to the user. Particular data only we need to return. Such a cases is there something this user particularly user is associated lands that belong to him existing coordinate system, they return back to their land. That is one case. After that, the data is very huge, but entire data it's not possible to send use directly to the uh, client, the use end user wanted data. But here use case is based on user, the location identifying the village boundary, the boundary regarding the particular village. After that, we are checking the what are the land covers existing within the boundaries. Suppose the boundaries is exceeded outside, I'm not trying to send data. And the within the land covers, the reaching and the particular village boundary is get back. After that, here the village is get back the so and so. We need to user want for the they want for the Magatha and Kaulu lands. He want for the cultivate the agriculture land. Suppose he want select the so and so on the list, and the automatically in the place of the land cover is automatically reflected on the map as usually. The same data it is reflected on the scroll control. Then the user able to notice that where is the Kolu lands is available. The lots of use cases. Use cases is suppose entire the land cover the want for the tractor requirement. Based on we are assigned the category, the automatically the trigger the land the tractor requirement land covers we get back. And sometimes harvesters is available. We need to assign the harvester to the wanted the farmer the harvesters. The automatically land covers is direct it is get back. Such a things is we are showcasing. Suppose I'm category based on the category I'm assigning Magatha and Kaulu. Suppose I want for the Kaulu, the automatically Kaulu land it is within the land, the automatically the land cover, the Kaulu land itself it is showcasing, but the rest of the data it's don't want. It is help for the who is running for the tractor or want for the farmer want for the Kaulu land. It is benefit directly benefit. Suppose I want for the Magadam. The three lands is existing based on the filtration. We are get back so and so lands. It's get back. We are noticing the land cover. It's get backing. The see here 8867. See here, such a way that we are displaying such a mechanism. Here recently in Andhra Pradesh government is allocated every the land cover of villages. So a number of people is assigned to collecting the samples of land cover. The directly login is giving to the farmer. There itself they add the craft details himself. It will be increase transparency level and reduce staff unnecessarily in the paying the amount. Such a use cases will be covered. It will be the manageable, such as the manpower considerations. Fine, the many use cases, the military activities, and the boundaries, and lots of planning activities also we can the possible such a project and use case scenarios. This is totally is using the React and showcasing data as a React. We are fetching the data from Node.js and PHP or Django to fetch back the information. Front-end side design, the vice versa, the interactions will happen. This will work for the anywhere in the coordinate system as a lat long coordinate position of the globe. Suppose you have more capital, means the amount is there. Suppose so and so capital is there. You want for more land covers wanted. You need to search on the random field, and we need to collect the pay through the concerned party, and let's get back the to perform the agriculture activities. Such a things is possible based on use case scenarios. The activities will be differ. Here, the front end, the private roads, only authorized user only is get back the details. Such a use case. Recently, AP government is giving the hard copy of passbook instead of hard copy. In the based on user of login user, the directly just get back the land covers on existing coordinate system wise. So get back. Suppose this thing is maintainable. How to staff and maintaining the on the logics of coordinate and website maintenance. We need to collect the charges from the end user who want for the um, uh, this type of e-passbook. It charge for the yearly 100 rupees or 200 rupees. Directly end user giving the some benefit. He itself the giving the providing the craft details and some other. Suppose you want for their land, want power line is required, we are directly he itself giving applying the application and paying the process fees based on the coordinate system to identifying the where the power lines requirement is there. All things will be sought out. Such use cases also is possible. Fine, I'm giving conclusion. This is educational, the highly so workouting and the spatial coordinate system wise. Now, previously we are seeing GIS contact. This is GIS land bank and GIS land passbook such a use cases. Everything is sought out here. It is deliver the application over the network. Anyone is calling the so and so URL, the service will be reaching to the end user. They get back the benefit, the reaching certain activities and updating the uh, directly the coordinate system and upon the political activities. Suppose coordinate system wise, he want to contact the persons, the leading persons who is some crime activities analysis. Suppose we are clicking and the directly the position who are the crime histories behind in the previous time. All those things will be possible. Such a project scenarios we need to consider and sort out. And voting fraud also we need to reduce. After voting is completed, automatically the marker side where that particular election time he participated. Suppose he is not participated, we need to mark as he is not participated as a person. And janaba counting also, people count as a coordinate system wise. It's removing the false entity. Data is showing in the public, so really some wrong entity or mis data cleaning related possibilities also it will be reducing is possible. Fine, this is use cases relying for the GS activity. Fine, I'm giving conclusion. Anyone for coding discussion, coding you want, please ask freely. I will discuss. I take so much time to develop this one. I will charge for the 100 rupees or 200 rupees. I will provide the code. Fine, I'm giving conclusion. Thank you. Goodbye.